Everybody, this is Bold Patents Nashville. I am JD Hoovener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm in Nashville. While it's well known for its music and entertainment, it's actually got quite a wonderful amount of entrepreneurship groups and places that you can go as an inventor right here in this city. So I want to talk about this city and the 5 places that I recommend you go if you happen to be inventing in Nashville. The first one is a nonprofit. It's an organization called NEC, which is actually the Nashville Entrepreneur Center. It's a nonprofit. So they connect entrepreneurs with business resources. You get free advice from business owners, successful people that have come from that group. And what's great is that some of the alumni will come back and help coach and mentor those that are just getting started. You may have heard of a company called Soundstripe. Soundstripe helps royalty-free music back to the creators. It's a wonderful company. They're formed and started at the NEC. The second one is called the Jumpstart Foundry. This is an investment firm. So if you're looking to bring in money, even a small amount of money as a seed or a startup, this is a great place to go here in Nashville. Jumpstart helps focus on the development of high growth companies. They want, healthcare as well as other companies, but they do focus on healthcare. The biggest company that came out of Jumpstart is LightSprite, which is a digital therapeutics company. So check out Jumpstart. It's a great resource for you. Number 3 is Jumpstart. Is Launch Tennessee. Launch TN. This is a private-public partnership focused on supporting the development of high-growth companies in Tennessee, with the goal of making Tennessee the startup-friendly state in the nation. So again, they also supported Soundstripe, which is a big company that came out of Nashville recently. Number 4, Bunker Labs. So Bunker Labs is the national network of veteran military spouse entrepreneurs dedicated to helping military-connected community start their own businesses. The most recent example is Romeo Entertainment Group. They're specializing in live event production. They came out of Bunker Labs. So if you are in the military, if you're your spouse of someone in the military, Bunker Labs is a really special place for you to go, get extra value, resources, and learn from those that have gone through this process before. Number 5, can't forget about the university, Tennessee State University Business Incubation Center. It's an incubator, so it's where you come in and you actually work with other companies. You're all sort of nesting, if you will, like your little baby chicks, and you get support from this organization, whether it be technical side on coding or website or the information you're trying to put together regarding your technology with manufacturing or engineering, as well as the business side. So marketing, sales, even support on hiring staff, and of course, legal help as well. So if you're in Nashville, those are some great resources for you to check out. If you do have questions about intellectual property, including patents or trademarks, trade secrets, or even copyright, Bold Patents stands ready to help you here in Nashville. So have a great rest of your day, everybody. Go big, go bold.